everyone, it's Raquel of Raquel's Caribbean Cuisine, and today's recipe is going to be some hominy corn porridge, my absolute favorite. So here I'm going to be using 2 cups of dried hominy corn, and this is the superior version of all corns. Yes, and it's most nutritious, and it's dried field corn, so it's quite hard in texture. I'm just going to give this a wash until the water runs clear to remove any excess starch. And because hominy corn is hard in texture, it takes a really long time to cook. So it's best to soak overnight before cooking. See the difference in texture? The corns have been soaking overnight, so the grains have expanded, making it easier to cook. So now to this, I'm going to add some salt and some sugar, and I'm going to put this to boil along with some cinnamon leaves. And the corns will absorb the flavors from the salt, the sugar, and the cinnamon leaves while cooking. So not only will the liquid be flavorful, but the corns will be tasty as well. So while the corn is boiling, I'm going to break a coconut and I'm going to extract the coconut milk. And we know it's time consuming, but fresh is always the best. But feel free to use the coconut powder or the one in the can, but just add it when the corn is already cooked. So now that we have extracted some rich fresh coconut milk, I'm going to add this to the hominy corn, and I'm going to allow this to cook under medium to low heat until the grains are nice and tender. And this may take about 45 minutes. Just stir occasionally to prevent any sticking. So 40 minutes later, the grains are nice and soft and tasty as well. They have absorbed the flavors from the cinnamon leaves, the salt, and the sugar. And normally to thicken this porridge, a bit of flour or cornstarch would be added, but none of that will be used today. We are going all natural. So to a blender, I'm going to add a few spoonfuls of the corn along with some vanilla Lasco and some whole milk, and I'm going to put that to blend. But you could use your almond milk or any type of milk of your choice. See, the corn itself has been used as the thickening agent, making this porridge really nice and thick. And to the blender, I'm just gonna rinse that with some more milk because nothing goes to waste here. So now that we have acquired the desired texture, now it's time to flavor and sweeten the pot. So in now with some vanilla essence, a bit of cinnamon powder, and some freshly grated nutmeg. So now that the porridge is nicely flavored, it's now time to sweeten. And here is where you're going to sweeten to your taste. I'm going to be adding some condensed milk along with some sugar, and I'm just going to mix that in. And this porridge is smelling, oh my goodness, this brings me all the way back home. Now also to this, I'm going to add a bit of rose and almond essence, which bring the flavor right over the edge. And that's it. I really doubt this could taste any better. Hominy corn, my absolute favorite. Cornmeal porridge comes in second, while peanut porridge comes in third. A link on how to make all of those will be listed down below in the description box. Thank you so very much for watching.